Hello, welcome back to Accessorize Your Life, or if this is your first time here, welcome to Accessorize Your Life. I am Julia, and I am packing for a 2-night, 3-day trip, and it's a road trip, and I think I need to edit my suitcase. I think there's absolutely too much in it. Let's get busy with it. So I definitely need, and let me back up. This is a Hayes 4-wheel roller bag. See the wheels there? It's easy to maneuver, but it's just too darn heavy for me. I started off with a long chomp 2-handle bag, and I just purchased it for this trip. I really like Long Chomp brand, but I had to take it back because once I packed it, it was too heavy, and it had far less than what I have in this suitcase. So this suitcase needs an editing, and I am not going to look for another suitcase. This one I've already had in the house here. I've used it plenty of times. It says Hayes right there. I never knew that. Yep. Anyway, so I definitely need to keep the bathing suit, and this is a cutie. I found this this week. It's a one-piece. I like my bathing suits with a little skirt on them, so it's a pretty color. It's hard to find a pretty color and something that's not too busy. So this is just like a double strap, 2 straps there, the bralette area, and a little skirt that comes down, and then you have underneath, of course, your little panty part. So I'm excited about that. And then I found this little cover up, and it's pretty colors here. Looks like Easter eggs. So I will be carrying that. It's got to stay. I have my binoculars because we're going to see a play at the Sight&Sound Theater, and it's Jesus we're going to see. So in case my seats aren't that good, I'm taking my binoculars. I want that. And you may have seen this in another video. This is what I got as a gift from BH Cosmetics. I have my makeup brushes inside. So I have the travel size makeup brushes, and I have 2 sets. So I'll show you some of those. See, they're little ones by MAC, I think, and then some other ones with clear handles. Nope, that's not it. Let me see. Let me get in there and find one. Here's one. Yeah, those are by, forget her name, but anyway, they came in a set. I want to say Jane Iredale, but they're not. They are not by her. So back in the bag they go. So I'm keeping that. In these little pouches, I have my overnight or my night cream. I have jewelry, and I have hair products. I have pain relievers in here, and I have snacks for us. Some popcorn, some nuts, some instant oatmeal. I have an extra pair of sneakers. I have our reservations and tickets for the play. I have my Clarisonic. I have flip-flops. You have to have flip-flops for the pool, for the shower in the room. An extra pair of shoes. The shoes I want to wear to, they're like espadrilles. I'm wearing to the play. Don't want to wear sneakers to the play. So I feel like I need everything on this side. Here I have some wipes. I like to wipe the room down, the toilet, the phone, the remote control, anything that's a hard surface I wipe down that I will be using. I have an extra washcloth in there. This comes undone here. What's in here? On this side I've packed my clothes. And I got these packing cubes when I went to the hygiene conference last month. They were a gift to us in our bags, and I didn't know I would use them, but yeah. So they have the emblem on it from the conference, and I have 2. So in the smaller one, I have my pajamas. I have socks because my feet get cold sometimes. I have a satin head cap. I have a sleeping bra, and then I have my underwear to change out. In the larger bag, how does it unzip? And I have a couple of pieces of clothes. After the massage, here is what's waiting for you. A little snack to rejuvenate us. And this is the room that you come to after your massage. With a to-go cup of coffee or tea or water.